So I'm just going to put the final touches to this sketch I did earlier, and you might have seen me doing this in the previous video. That's my idea for a painting I'm going to start, and I'm not going to put too much detail into it because, as I said, this is really just a sketch for the idea of the painting. But I hope it inspires you to perhaps pick up a pencil, just start off with a doodle, see where it goes. You never know, it might turn out to be a painting, or it could just be a sketch. Just put a little bit more colour on this one here. Oops, don't want to do that. Just add a little colour there to this bird, just to give him a bit more shape. Give him some shape and form. There we are, that's all I need to do. So this is a little sketch that hopefully will help me with my painting, that the idea for a painting that I've got in mind, and it's called Fly Away Birds. It's going to be a floaty tree, I think. I'll have it floating in the sky somehow, see how that works out. Anyway, hopefully you will see it on a canvas maybe next time. We'll see. I have got another painting that I'm going to be doing shortly, and trying to finish off another painting, but this one I think it's very simple tree, a few birds. Sometimes less is more. Yes, I think I'll leave it like that. Okay, thanks.